Hi everyone! Welcome back. For those of you returning, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. For those of you who might be new here, welcome, it's nice to meet you. I'm a full-time working mom of 4 young kids, and I absolutely love fashion and beauty. And this is what my YouTube channel is all about. It's fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle. If this sounds at all interesting to you, please check out my previous YouTube videos that I link down below, and consider subscribing to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a real quick video showing you what I purchased from the FabFitFun Spring 2019 edit. So for those of you who haven't seen my Spring FabFitFun unboxing, I will link that video down below. But FabFitFun is a subscription box service from which you receive a FabFitFun box every season. The spring box was released about a month ago, and I shared what I received in my box with you all in that video. So in between when boxes are shipped, the company does put out some promotional services, including this spring edit opportunity. So the spring edit is essentially the same as adding add-ons to your FabFitFun seasonal boxes. However, they are shipped separately in between box shipments. So I received my box here in the mail last week, and I wanted to show you all what I selected. So in the spring edit, just like the add-ons, you're able to purchase essentially full-size products for a fraction of the retail cost, so about 30 to 70% off, which is a really great deal in my opinion. And they're items that I definitely use a lot, brand name items that are really great to stock up on at discounted prices. So I wanted to dig into this box and show you all what I picked out. I'll open up this box here, and here's what it essentially looks like. Stuff with packaging. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. The first item that I purchased was this Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I've really wanted to try out this line of hair care, and as I've talked about in previous videos, I'm currently going through the 3 to 4 month postpartum period, and I'm definitely having a lot of hair loss in addition to hair drying. So any type of conditioning spray or treatment I'm really liking to try out these days. And the fact that it's a leave-in conditioning spray, it's very simple and easy to use, I think is really going to suit my lifestyle well. So I wanted to give this line a try. I also, if I like this one, I'm considering purchasing some other products from the collection. So you're supposed to spray this through clean, damp hair for extra moisturization. Of course, my hair is not damp now, but I want to give it a quick try. Well, it's a very light, fresh scent, which I think will suit my lifestyle well, and we'll see how it does in terms of conditioning. And I'm looking forward to trying this out, especially in the summer months where my hair gets really dry. So the next item I have here, I actually got in a set of 2 in this box, and it's the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. So I initially purchased one of these through FabFitFun about a year ago, and I really enjoyed it. I had never previously tried the Ahava hand care line prior to getting it in my FabFitFun box, and this has quickly become one of my most favorite hand creams. First of all, it's a huge size. It's over 5 ounces, and this is the water version, but again, it's a mineral hand cream. And these days, I'm really looking for good hand creams. Having gone back to work for maternity leave now, I wash my hands literally about 40 times a day, before and after seeing every patient, but also at home with 4 little kids. I'm doing a lot of hand washing, and my hands are really paying the price. So any type of good moisturizing hand cream that doesn't leave my hands sticky is something that I'm really looking for. And here's the formulation. So it's on the relatively thin side for hand creams, but it goes on smoothly. And what I like most about this hand cream is it leaves a very nice, I think unique, velvety, kind of baby powder type finish on your hands. It does not leave it greasy or sticky, and you're able to use your hands pretty instantly right afterwards. In other words, it's not greasy such that you have to wait a while for the product to soak in. It soaks in very smoothly. It does have a relatively strong scent in my opinion, so if you don't like scented hand creams, this probably isn't the best, at least version for you, but I don't mind it at all. It's a fresh and maybe even a hint of floral in my opinion. But I do think it's unisex. In fact, my dad, who loves to use his hands a lot working on cars as his hobby, gets really, really dry hands as well. And I let him try this hand cream, and he actually enjoyed it just as much as I do. So I purchased 2 of these in this box because I'm planning on giving one of these to my dad as well. So if you haven't checked out these Ahava hand creams, I suggest you really give them a try. And the next items I received here are part of what they call a bundle. So when you purchase add-ons or edit items like this box is, you have the opportunity to pick out some types of bundles. So bundles really are products that FabFitFun grouped together based on a theme. So the theme of the bundle I picked was coconut cures. So I do love the scent of coconut, and I think it's a very, very moisturizing product as well. So I picked out this bundle. So the bundles provide you with even an additional discount over the discount you would receive by buying these products alone. So it's something to definitely check out. The bundles tend to sell out pretty quickly, at least in my opinion, when I go online to order these items. So if you can get online pretty quick once they're released, take advantage of some of these opportunities. So the first item in here are these Nelson Beverly Hills shampoo and conditioner. Open it up here. And I tried one of the hair masks from this line in a previous FabFitFun box, and I do like it. I like the scent, and it seems to moisturize pretty well, so I figured I'd give the shampoo and conditioner a try. It does look like, unfortunately, it's leaked a little bit in the packaging, but because it was in its own little plastic bag, it's not a huge deal. But here is what the packaging looks like. So it's just moisture healing shampoo and conditioner, and it does have the coconut oil in it. So I'm gonna look forward to trying these out soon. And another item in the bundle here was this Kopari coconut face cream. And to be honest, this is largely why I purchased this bundle. Again, I've heard such good things about Kopari, and I did purchase their little Try Me kit from Sephora over the holidays, and I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen that unboxing yet. To be honest, I really haven't tried the Kopari yet because I had so much to work through, so I'm looking forward to trying it soon, but I figured I'd stock up on this at a good value, and it's essentially seems to be a lightweight, just overall moisturizing cream, and you can just apply it day or night, and it's made with coconut oil. Here's the packaging. So I'm looking forward to trying the whole Kopari line soon. I'll let you know my thoughts once I break open the little Try Me kit in addition to trying this out. But a nice little find that I was able to pick up at a really good discount. And then the third item in this bundle is this Paris Silk coconut scrub. It's made with cold pressed coconut oil and crushed coconut husk. And it's essentially a scrub, but I think it's intended to be used primarily for your hands. It's a pretty overall small jar for scrubs, at least. So I don't think it would go a long way if used on your whole body. But I think you could if you wanted to. But I'm intending on using this really by the sink for my hands again. I really, really need to work more on my hand care, as I mentioned previously. So I think this would be a nice thing to try out. And I'll just go ahead and open this up for you all. It has a very light coconut type scent. It's really like a coconut milk type of scent. You can see the little coconut husk there. So something I'm looking forward to trying out. And again, I'm just going to use it on my hands, but I just can't get enough coconut scents, so I'm looking forward to using this one. And I did also order one other item which didn't make it into this box because I believe it's on back order, and that's the Kate Somerville Makeup Setting Spray with SPF 50. So I'll insert a picture here of the product that I purchased. And again, I believe it's coming in the mail shortly. However, I didn't want to wait for that to come to delay this video any longer than it needed to be. As we head into summer months, as you know, I'm really huge on SPF and sun protection. And to find a product like the Kate Somerville product that combines both a makeup setting spray plus SPF is just really, really up my alley. I really love multitaskers to minimize the amount of time I spend getting ready in the morning. I do love the Kate Somerville line. So far I've only tried her Exfoliate, which is the exfoliating scrub, which I really enjoy. So I have no doubt that I'm probably going to enjoy this makeup setting spray as well. So once I receive it in the mail, I'll give it a try and let you know how it works out for me. And that's it. This is a completely empty box now. So again, I didn't go too crazy with the spring edit just because I know the next summer FabFitFun box is right around the corner, in addition to some summer add-ons, which I'm sure I'm going to indulge in. So I didn't want to go too crazy for the spring edit, but I wanted to pick out a couple of items that I thought I would really use in these months between my FabFitFun boxes. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you ordered items from the spring edit, please let me know below some of your favorites and some items that you think I need to try next time as well. If you have any questions about these products, please also let me know as well in the comments down below. Otherwise, please consider subscribing to my channel as well, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!